wanted to update you guys. So while I let it run, I had a aluminum pry bar, and the pipe got hot enough that I was able to just kind of bend it and enough away from the brake caliper so the brake works just fine. I really don't know how long it's gonna last, to be honest, because I'm not completely satisfied with this kit that I purchased from Amazon, but I was going. I mean, I was able to hit 52 miles per hour fairly quickly, so I just needed a moment to just get away and just get out of the water, and just, you know, I just felt like I just needed to just come out here. So I would call it a success. I could give you the link of the kit that I purchased from Amazon. I wouldn't recommend it. It's budget friendly, but I'm actually thinking of purchasing the OEM part, because I feel like that overall it's going to be a better investment. Again, this was $59.99, but unless you are mechanically inclined, you will have some issues with it. I'm a little concerned. I really don't know how long this will last, but you know, I don't know. You know, I think I would give this a 3-star out of 5-star, only because it wasn't really friendly. Performance wise, with my old muffler, I probably could barely get to 52, but this guy, I was actually going pretty good. I mean, I do like the look. It's not bad. I mean, it is what it is. You know, I still would rather have the one that came with it, but like my helmet. Anyways, just wanted to just kind of give you my final update on my Jax. That you know, it's running well, and I'm pleased with it. And I just, like I said, I just needed to get away and just enjoy just being out here for a minute. So I guess enjoy the scenery while you can. If you guys have been following me, if you look at my kayak videos, I kayaked. So there's a spot down. There's like a restaurant way down there. But anyways, I went pretty darn far. I didn't go this far because I probably could, but I just got tired. But anyways, it's a different subject, but it's all kind of linked together with my kayaking in the water. Now my scooter coming to the water. Let's just make sure I don't put the scooter in the water. Anyways, thank you for subscribing, and thanks for checking me out. I upload a lot of random stuff. Mainly I'm uploading music, my spontaneous worship, and just my new passion of the scooter that I just think is so fun, and my kayak, and yeah, so that, anyways, whatever. Probably gonna just enjoy this moment without any distraction of technology, so enjoy. I'm gonna shut up now. Maybe you could just listen to